Okay, so this hive swarmed just a few minutes ago, and here are bees still coming and going. Let's see if you can hear it. Pretty loud. And they swarmed right over to the peach tree here. Big swarm. Keenan found the swarm, came out to the backyard, and they were really clouding up the backyard. As you can see, it's a very large swarm. Hundreds, thousands of them on here. And in a little bit, I'll try and take them down once they've all settled down and put them in a new hive. We'll see how it goes. Get a close-up here. And here I am in my bee nerd gear.